So I'm working on a 2016 Ram 1500 with 5.7 Hemi, and the concern is engine knocking noise or a tick on cold start. I know the exhaust manifolds are a common thing on these, but they've already been replaced, so I've let this sit for a while. We're going to start it up and see if we can hear anything. It sounds like the manifold on this side is leaking. I don't hear anything from this side. If I had to guess, I would say the manifold on this side is definitely leaking. You can probably hear it better down in the wheel well. Yeah, I'd have to get some light on it and just check the bolts that hold that manifold on, but